Okay, so hi Google team. So that is the video is about like how to use the Shopify, how to use the Linkify app. Okay, and why we needed this scope. Okay, so uh, like a Gmail access, Gmail reading access scope. Okay, so for to use these, okay, first you need the like a Shopify app store. Okay, so Shopify store. Okay, and Shopify store is about like a you if you want to sell anything. Okay, it's a very big software. Okay, to sell anything online. Okay, so now Shopify have a third party API access. Okay, and using the third party API you can create the some creatives tool. Okay, or maybe plugins or maybe third party extension. Okay, that's what they call, but they call app. Okay, so we created one Shopify app, and that is we call is a Linkify. Okay, Linkify is a backlink generator app. Okay, and where we create authenticated very good backlinks for the stores. Okay, and that is we have. Okay, so how user can use our app. Okay, and how they come to know. Okay, so let's say as a you Shopify store owner or merchant. Okay, now you get idea like a I need to improve my SEO and I need a backlink for this. Okay, you try a couple of things. Okay, but it's not working out, or maybe you go to the app store. Okay, whatever the problems you have, Shopify have very big setup of ecosystem where you can use the like a different apps. Okay, they called it app. Okay, and you get idea like I need a backlink. Okay, so they will search here something like a backlink. Okay, and whatever the like there is couple of list will come. Okay, so Shopify app store is same like a how we have the mobile app store. Google have the mobile app store for the Android. Okay, it's same kind of things. Okay, so I open the couple of the app. Okay, and I like this app. Okay, let's say they like our app. Okay, and they want to install this app. Okay, so open app because I already installed the app. Okay, otherwise they get the information, they get the like a button something like this. Okay, let's say this app is not installed in my store currently, so they will get the install the app button. Okay, as soon as they will install the app. Okay, they will redirect to first like a same how we Google asking for the scope information to give the approval or not. Okay, so let me show you the one example. There is the like a live app, so I can the current setup is not deployed on the live, it's deployed on the staging. Okay, so let me show you the how it will work. Okay, so let's say uh, like I'm showing you in the staging because this authentication code is deployed on the Google, related to Google. So let's say they try to install our app, they will install from the app store basically, and they click whenever they click on the install, they will land to this specific screen where Shopify ask about his scope. Okay, like you want to grant the permission for to read these all the information from your store or to update these all. Okay, if the like user is okay with this. Okay, merchant is okay with this, they will say install the app. Okay, why is uninstall app still is just changing one. Okay, when they will use this app, they will not say unlisted app or anything, they will say only the listed app. Okay, so now I'm clicking on this, click on the like unlisted app. Okay, install the app. Okay, so they will just see the install the app. Once they install the app, though I have the scope and everything is there. Okay, define. Okay, as soon as they install the app. Okay, like first they will get the like a this onboarding step. Okay, and where we ask like a uh, we will use your email to sign up on the various website, and email access is mandatory. Okay, so why is it needed? Okay, so basically we create the backlink on the authenticated website like a Reddit and other platform. Okay, where they will have the like a create the Pinterest, and there where we can create the like a good kind of supported website. Okay, like a blog they will get. Okay, and based on that, that will their user SEO will improve. Okay, and that's why we create the account using their email access. Okay, and we need a access to approve that like a sign up account access when they sign up. Okay, we need a approval access to to do that. Okay, to do that we use this, we need this scope. Okay, to whenever we sign up using the let's say Gmail using the Pinterest. Okay, now they will send the like a verification link to the Gmail. Okay, and we want to approve that link. Okay, we that's why we need this app access to make everything is automated. Okay, so now I'm clicking here, signing in the Google. Once I click here, okay, let me go to this. Okay, and like it's you already know like the app is not verified, that's why it's showing right now. Okay, and let's say I click on the continue. So once I click continue, I will go back to here. Okay, and I come here. Okay, now my I approve the access. I click on the next. Okay, so if I click on the next, it will load like my calendar if they want to set up the meeting with us or not, because these all thing is very like a you can say the legitimate. Okay, we are not doing anything wrong or anything like a spammy thing. Okay, Then we have also the pricing. Lots of people subscribe to our pricing, they still say to like a free backlink, okay, otherwise they will generate 25 backlink, okay. We call it backlink, okay. A good way to call it also blog, okay. If you can say the blog, okay, then people also they say the blog, okay. But yeah, backlink is backlink, okay. So we say like this backlink, okay. And let's click on the finish, okay. So once they sign up, okay, now our system will generate the backlink, not right away like all the backlink, okay. We have also the setup of the system, like it will generate gradually, like every day one, okay. If they are a premium plan, we generate like in a day two, sometime one. So randomly they will get the like all these very good authenticated backlink content generated through the AI, very good content and all the backlink, and that's all thing through their products, okay. And they will get the like a better SEO. That's what the purpose. And once we create the backlink in the system, okay, they will see here, okay, our system will generate the backlink, okay. Otherwise we don't have anything more in the like you can they can change the this information, they can upgrade to plan anytime, they can change the settings, select different language, okay. So that is all the like legitimate, we are not doing anything wrong, okay. You can see here these our here is our app listing page. We have defined all these things what you will get here: domain authority, all the good high domain authority website, okay, drive traffic, and that's all. Pricing also listed here. And also one more thing is we have also good reviews, okay. We are already using like a lot of people is already 700. We right now we already have the like a 700 user who is already like a more than like a more user have tried, okay. There's some will uninstall, some will keep using because they think it's a good app, okay. So we also have the reviews. You can see here reviews. These all review is not like a first, whenever they want to add the review in the Shopify app store, these review go through the Shopify, they check, okay, it's a legitimate review. If not, they will remove that directly. They have the like a system, they will take 1 day to show also the review to verify this review is legitimate or not, okay. So you can see here these provider have like a 4 month using our app, less the review. This month is like a 8 month. After the 8 month they have they see the like because they see the improvement, okay. So yeah, all these things, all the about scope, access, why we needed this, how they can use it, how they can see come to this page also, all this information I have provided in this video, okay. Hope you guys approve our access, okay. And then we can make it like a more accessible these features to the all the people, okay. So we have the like a good going everything. Thank you.